the next day, and I'm ready to ride Fury.
What about Copperhead Strike?
Yes.
And Intimidator?
Yes.
And then we move on to another park, right?
Yeah.
So, I don't know if we'll make it, but there's a chance we could do Fury and Orion today, and that would be both Gigas in the United States, made by B&M, in one day. You want to try that?
Yes.
Let's see what we do. We're going to be on train number 3. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Are we making it yet another epic day?
Yes.
That's right, we are. All right, so hey, tell the viewers at home, you've ridden in the front, you've ridden in the second seat, you've ridden in the second in the back, and now you've ridden in the back. Where was the best seat?
The front.
Last night's front row ride was unbelievable. But I would say that every ride on this has been great and fantastic. But that front row ride last night, it was definitely magical. Hey, let's see what else we get into. We got a lot going on today. Hey, so you wanted to ride Copperhead Strike twice on this trip. You've now done it 4 times over 2 days.
Yep.
What?
That was my second goal. But actually my third.
Yeah, 3rd time today?
My third goal.
3rd goal, yeah. So hey, what do you think is better, this or Fury?
Fury. Fury, yeah.
But this is a number 2 or number 3? Is Intimidator better?
This is number 2.
Number 2 for sure. Awesome. Glad you met your goal.
Well, this is number 2.
Oh, okay.
The Intimidator at the other park is better than that still.
Yeah, okay, I'll believe that. You're talking about Intimidator 305 at King's Dominion.
Yeah.
But here, this is the 2nd best ride in the park. Awesome. So how was Carowinds?
Great.
Worth the time, worth the drive down?
Yes.
Yeah, so technically they were open 10 to 7 yesterday. We took like a 2 and a half hour break. Came back for 2 hours this morning. But we could have done this all in one day. It's been pretty slow here. Would you guys agree with that?
Yeah.
Is it worth people driving from Northeast Ohio to come down just to ride Fury, Copperhead Strike, and Intimidator? I think so. I think it's worth at least one trip down here to give Fury a try. It was awesome. Would you guys agree with that?
Yeah.
So these two, we're gonna do a ranking video at some point, but these two have already said it's either 1 or 2 in their rankings.
1.
Yeah. We'll have to go through every coaster. We'll figure that out. But it was good. I've had a lot of fun. Thank you to Cedar Fair. Thank you to Carowinds. Should we come back here maybe next year?
Yeah.
Maybe the year after? Yeah? Definitely? All right, sweet.
Third shot is last shot two. Move off the 4 points. We're doing all right.
Hey, so we made it. It was 8 hours from Carowinds to Kings Island. We made a couple of stops. We really did it in 8 hours. We got to get some food because we have not eaten. We did not stop to eat. We stopped to get gas and use the bathroom, and that's it.
And get some snacks.
So we got some chips, but we got to get food, then Orion, and then hopefully we can get these guys on Beast at night to close this out because this has been amazing. But we will be back at Kings Island tomorrow, I think. We're gonna try. It's been a long, crazy week, but a lot of fun. So as I'm walking around, I realized I did not give timestamps, so I'll give those now. We got to Carowinds, opened the park at 10 a.m. We got to our car at 12:10 and got to Kings Island's parking lot at 8:10 p.m. Time is now 8:18. Kings Island closes at 10 o'clock. So we should have more than enough time to get on Orion and do both gigas in a day and get some food because we're all hungry at this point. They're not even paying attention. Quick update, we did dinner. We chose Chick-fil-A because we thought, hey, it'll be fast, easy on our stomachs. They took forever to get us our food. So that may put the beast out, but I think we still have time for Orion. We're on our way over now. Time is 8:48. So should get that in and maybe a beast ride. He's excited. We just got in line. It's 9 o'clock. It says 40-minute wait. Unless they got this line hiding somewhere, I think we're gonna be in and out. We'll see what happens. We'll let you know. For those that have ridden this before, you know that we are gonna be super close. The time is 9 o'clock still. We are booking it through this queue. And we are already in this little shed right outside. So what's up?
This is the longest wait of the day.
Yeah?
Barely. We've only ran Fury twice, Copperhead Strike twice, and the 2 kitty coasters at Carowinds, and they were so short. This is barely a wait also.
Yeah, this is gonna be like 10 minutes. But that's still the longest we waited today.
It's not a wait, it's time to rock.
It is, there's our train. Woo! They're excited for us, for themselves. 1 of the 2.
No, that's Orion. Oh, so you're keeping the dialogue. This is the other one.
It's been a long day, but where did we start our day?
South Carolina.
And we walked into North Carolina and got on what? Fury. And then we rode Fury twice, Copperhead Strike twice,
Yeah, and then both kitty coasters.
and then both kiddie coasters. And then we did an 8-hour car ride
Yeah.
to come ride Orion here at Kings Island.
It was such a long drive.
It was a very long drive, but was it epic?
Yeah.
And how else do you end an epic roller coaster trip?
Then riding both B&M Gigas.
In one day, both Gigas in the USA by B&M in one day. That's awesome. I'm proud of you guys. Are you proud of yourselves?
Yeah.
All right, starting to get a little dark. Should we make our way over to the Beast and do a nighttime ride on that?
Yeah.
All right, and then hey, we'll come back tomorrow and enjoy some more coasters here tomorrow. Super Dude may be done. It's been a long. Making our way over to the Beast now. I'm excited though. We did it. That 8-hour drive was something else. We made it all the way over to the Beast. And I guess they're running fireworks and they're not going to launch the Beast until the fireworks are over. I guess they launch over the Beast, which makes sense. So we're going to try and hit Diamondback.
Yeah.
And they said as long as we're in line by 10, we'll get on the Beast. Let's see. Epic coaster journey continues. Is what we're going to say till it's done. Because it's been epic. These guys are excited. We should be able to get in line for the Beast by 10, listen to the fireworks, and then ride the Beast at night. Woo! We just got off Diamondback, and I'm a big guy. That's my first ever ride. These guys love Diamondback. It was great. It's my first ever ride. Awesome. I had to lose some weight to go on this trip. I can't believe it paid off with Diamondback today. It's a lot of fun. Now these two are still going strong. It is almost 11 o'clock. It is 10:58. We are probably going to be on the last ride of the night here at Beast. And we still got some people ahead of us in line. So we'll let you know what time we get off. It's been a long day. Dad's exhausted. So we are pretty much getting escorted out. Nothing wrong. It's just the park closed.
The whole park closed like
It's
an
11,
hour ago.
11:14. We just got off the last car on the Beast. Last ride here today.
Yeah.
What'd you guys think? The Beast tonight, is it different than the Beast during the day?
Yeah. Yes, a lot more bugs.
A lot more bugs.
Especially in front row where you bugs.
We were in the front row though. Hey, it is awesome. The new Beast, this is our second ride on it since they made changes to it. And the night ride is just as good. They did have some trims on, which was a good thing because we were going pretty fast.
We could not see. We could see the track, but barely anything.
Barely anything, yeah. So it was a lot of fun. We'll do an extra video when we get a chance up here at the front, but whew, it's been a great day. To remind the viewers who have made it this far, Where'd we start today?
Carowinds.
In South and North Carolina.
Yeah.
And we rode Fury twice, Copperhead Strike, how many times? And they're 2 kiddie coasters.
Yeah.
Then we did an 8-hour car ride with minimal stops
You're so dumb.
to get here. The time to ride not only Orion, so we got both Gigas done in one day, but did we ride, what other steel coaster did we ride?
It wasn't steel.
Diamondback, did we ride Diamondback?
Oh yeah.
We did ride Diamondback, and then we waited through the fireworks, and we were on the last train. It left after 11 o'clock, and the park closed at 10, and we rode the Beast at night. I call that an epic day in the middle of our
It was
epic.
the last train in the whole entire park.
Yes. Was it awesome at night?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, if you're new to our videos, we are at the second to last day of an epic coaster journey. Our home park is Cedar Point, but you can help us beat those YouTube algorithms.
Please like and subscribe.
And leave a comment down below.
And with that, we are all clear
And out of here.
and exhausted.
Welcome to Kings Island. Please be advised, Kings Island and Soap City are not cashless and only accept most major credit and debit cards, as well as Apple Pay and Google Pay. Cash can be converted to a prepaid card at any of our cash to card kiosks located conveniently at the main